Question number 1. Which of the following is an equation? He gave us letter A, 20x plus 13. It's not equation, we call that expression. Okay, question letter B. We have 3 plus A. We have here expression. Letter C, twice a number such that 2x. It will be false. It's expression term. We have a term here. Letter D. The sum of a number and 9 equal f. 9, it will be unknown x, plus 9, it will be f. We can write this equation. Choose letter D about question number 1, because he asked about what? Which of the following is an equation? You must choose letter D. X plus 9 equal f. It will be what? The equation. Question number 2. In the equation y equal 1 plus x over 2 and x equal 8. Who can tell me the value of y here? We can write x equal 8 in this equation to find output here y. Y equal 1 plus 8 over 2. 1 equal 1 plus 8 over 2. It will be 4. 1 plus 4 equal what? Equal 5. Then y here equal 5. Question number 3. The independent variable in the equation a equal 3b plus 1. Independent here p. b, we called it what? Independent. The independent variable in this equation, it will be what? P. Choose letter what? Choose letter C. Question number 4. K equals the product of L and 8. K equals the product of L and 8. It will be 8L, the product between 8 and L. K equal 8L. Choose letter. Question number 4. Choose letter A. Okay, choose letter A. Question number 5. In the equation, y equal 3x plus 1 in the order 2 and A satisfies the equation what? We have equation here y equal 3x plus 1. He give us this point 2 and A lies in the straight line here. We want to find unknown A here. Put x equal 2 and y equal A in this equation to find unknown. Right, A equal, we know any point equals the order of x and y. Write y equal A and x equal 2. Then cancel y and write A. 3x, it's meaning 3 multiplication. The value of x here equal 2 plus 1. Then A equal 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 1 equal what? Equal 7. Shows letter C. Question number 6. The dependent variable in the equation is equal 40 plus 1 over 8. The independent here, T, is, we call it out or dependent. You have the dependent and independent. You want to find the dependent. The dependent here, it will be S. S, we call that the dependent variable. The dependent variable in the equation is equal 40 plus 1 over 8. We called it what? S. S, we called it is what? The dependent. The dependent variable. The dependent variable here, S. Choose letter A about question 6. Question number 7. R is 9 times P added to 17 equation. R is 9 times P. R is 9 times P added to 17 equation. Question number 7. Look at the choosing here. R is, its meaning R equal 9 times B. It will be what? 9B. 9 times b equal 9b. Then r is, its meaning r equal 9b added to 17 plus 17. Again, r is 9 times b added to 17. Choose letter D about question 7. Question number 2, complete the following. Number 1, the verbal phrase for W plus 12 equal 7 is. He asked about what? Verbal phrase here. Who can tell me? We can reading this. W added to 12 equals 7. Can you write with me? Okay, right. You want to find what? Verbal phrase. Verbal phrase, its meaning, write this equation in word form. Write by letters, okay? W added to 12 equals 7. W added to W added to added to 12 equals 7. Okay, or not? Okay, W added to 12 equals 7. Okay, understood? Again, W added to 12 equals 7. W added to 12 equals 7. Question number 2. In the equation, T equal 7R. If R equal 3.1, then T equal what? We can put R equal 3.1 here. The result will be 7 multiplication 3.1. Then T equal 7 times 1 equals 7, and 3 times 7 equal 21. The result will be 21 and 7/10. Question number 3. If a number A depends on another number B, then dependent variable is what? Question number 3 again. If a number A depends on another number B, then the dependent variable such that what? B equal what? He won't find the dependent. A equal B plus any number 7, such that this example, A equal B plus 7, then we called A the dependent. Then the dependent variables here will be what? Will be A. Again, if a number A depends on another number B, such that A equal 7 plus B, then the dependent variable, it will be A. About question number 3, write A. Understood? You asked about what? The dependent. A is dependent on another number B. Then A, we called it the dependent. Such that A equals 7 plus B, A we called it the dependent, and B we called it the independent. Question number 4. E equals F increased, it's meaning plus, increased by 2.5. E equal F plus 2.5. Number 5. If the rule aid 9, the equation is space, so if x equal 4, then y would be what? About question number 5 here. He asked about what? If the rule aid 9, you can write aid 9 about rule y equal x plus 9. It's the rule here, okay? So if x equal 4 in this rule, put x equal 4 at x equal 4. Then y will be 4 plus 9. It will be what? It will be 13. And y would be 13, okay? Question number 6. In the opposite here tables, we have the equation. The equation which represented by the opposite here we have the table. I will draw the table with you here to understand the rule about this example. Okay, we have here x and y, 0 and 0, 2 and 4, 5 image here 10, 7 here 14. This is the rule here twice. Y equal twice x, it will be 2x. It's the equation or the rule refers to these tables. 0 times 2 equals 0, 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 5 equals 10, 2 times 7 equals 14. Okay, it's a question number what? Question number 6. In this example, you can write y equal 2x about question number what? Number 6. Question 7. 30 more than g equals h in equation what? 3 more than 3. 30 yeah. 30 more than g equals h. يعني h equal it's meaning h equal 30 more than it's meaning plus 30 plus g. In the equation here about question 7, h equals 30 plus 9. 30 more than g, it's g, okay, not 9. Again, 30 more than g equals h. In the equation, we can write it 30 plus or 30 plus g equal h. 30 more than g equals h. Question 8. 4 and space satisfies the equation y equal half x plus 4. We have here x equal 4. Put x equal 4 in this example. Then y will be what? Half multiplication the value of x here, 4 plus 4. Then y will be equal half of 4 equal 2. 2 plus 4, it will be equal what? Equal 6. Then y here will be equal 6. Okay. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. If the rule is multiply by 6, if x equal 1 over 3, then y would be equal what? In this example, we can put x equal 6 or third, x equal third, then y would be what? The rule here multiply by 6. You can find or write the rule about question number 1. The rule is meaning what? Multiply by 6. Multiply by 6. It's meaning what? Y equal 6x is the rule. He give us x equal third. If x equal third, then y will be equal 6 multiplication by third. Then y will be 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Then y here will be equal to, choose letter C. Question number 2. If y equal 7 plus 2x, then this point, space and 1, it satisfies the rule. We have x and y. You want to find what? X. Put y here equal 1. Then 1 equals 7 plus 2x. You can find the value. It's 11, sorry, it's 11, okay? It's 11. 11 here equals 7 plus 2x. We can write x equal what? 2 times what? We know 7 plus 4 equal 11. Then 2x, it's meaning 2 times what equal 4? 2 times 2. Then we can write here 2 in the x. Because he give us y equal 11. 11 equals 7 plus 4. 4 equal 2 multiplication by 2. Then x here will be equal to, choose letter P about question number 2. Question number 3. In the equation, y equal to x plus 1. If the input is 4, then the output. The output here refers to y, and x here is input. We have y equal to x plus 1. It's the equation. We want to put x equal 4. The input 4. Then y equal 2 multiplication by 4 plus 1. Then y equal 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9. Then y here equal 9. Question number 3. 3 times m increased by 2 equals in the equation. 3 times m, it's meaning 3m. Increased, it's meaning what? Plus. Increased by 2 equals n. 3m plus 2 equal n. Question number 4. Choose letter what? Letter D. 3m plus 2 equal n. Question here number 5. The ordered pair which satisfies rules here y equal x plus 2. We have here the first 0 and 0. It's false because 0 plus 2 equal 2. And what about 1 and 2? 1 plus 2 equals 3. Not right 2. It's false. Third point 2 and 4. Right 2 here. 2 plus 2 equal 4. So you must choose letter C about this question number 5. Question number 5, choose letter C. Question number 6. If it's a verbal verse, rule y equal 3x, we want to find what? Verbal verse. It will be what? 3 times x. 3 times x or multiply by 3. The verbal verse here, we must choose letter D. Verbal here, verbal verse will be what? Multiply by 3. Y equal 3x, it's meaning y equal 3 times x or multiply by 3. Y equal 3 multiply unknowns. Then the rule here, it will be multiply by 3. Asked about the verbal verse here, multiply by 3. About question number 6, choose letter D. Question number 7 in the equation, y equal x plus 2. If the output is 1, then the input equal space. Question number 7. We have y equal x plus 1. The output is 1. Output here y. Y will be 1. 1 equal x plus 1. Then x here will be equal 0. He asked about what? The input here equal 0. If y equal 1, the output here 1, then x will be 0 because 0 plus 1 equal 1. Then x will be 0. Choose letter A about question 7. Question number 4. Write a question use variables x and y where x is independent. Write the equation multiply by 8, 8, 2, 3. Or 8, 3. Okay, we can find the rule here. Y equal, we have multiplication by or multiply by 8. It will be 8x. 82, 3. It will be plus 3. Y will equal 8x plus 3. Substitute. Okay, we can find x equal force to evaluate y. At x equal what? He give us x equal force. Put x equal force here. Then y equal 8 multiplication by force plus 3. Put x equal force here. 8 times force, it's meaning 8 divided by 4 equal 2. 2 plus 3 equal y. Then y will be equal what? Equal 5. Okay. Question number 2. Write a verbal phrase for each of the following. You can write in the letters. Letter A. B equal 8 times I. We can write here. The variables will be what? 8 multiplied by, it will be, it's L. Okay, it's L. A, B equal B equal 8 times L. 8 multiplied 8 multiplied by L equals P. 8 multiplied by L equals P. About question letter A. Okay, it's what? Write a verbal verse. A verbal verse here. 8 multiplied by L equals P. Question letter P. D equal 3 times C plus 9. We want to find what? A verbal verse. We can write the product of 3 and C 82 9 equals D. Again, the product of 3 and C 82 what? 82 9 equals what? Equals D. Okay, the product of 3 and C and 82. The product of 3 and C 82 9 equals D. Question number 3. Complete of the following tables here. We have X and Y, the image Y here, input and output. We have here the rule Y equal to X plus 1. Put X equals 0, 2 times 0 equals 0 plus 1 equal 1. Put X equal 4, 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9. Put X equal 8, 2 times 8 equals 16, 16 plus 1 equals 17. And we have here 10, 2 times 10 equal 20, 20 plus 1 equal 21. Put X equal 13, 13 times 2 equal 26 plus 1 equal 27. Okay, question here number 4. We have Y equal to X plus 1. It was question number 3. And question number 4 here. Question number 4. Create a table that shows the object you pay and the amount of money. If it would cost for this object, let X be the number of basketball and let Y the total cost. Put here Y equal to X. Put X such that what equal what? 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Write here 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. Write 5. 2 times 5 equal 10. And you can write here 6. 2 times 6 equal 12. And then draw the graphic here, x-axis and y-axis. And then write the point. We have here 3 and 6. 3, the image here will be 6. We can draw the graphic here, greatest x and y. Here we have a lot of numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and here will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. The image about 3 will be 6 and image 4 will be 8. Write it here, write the point, and then we can write all point in your notebook. Okay, you want to find the mega graph based on the table you made. Label the x-axis and y-axis and give a title the graph. Y equal to X here, and we can write Y reverse to the cost. Right here is the cost, and X number of things, the number of things n, and the cost will be 1 2 3 4 about this equation. Y equal to X, because you want to create a table that show the object you pay and the amount of money it would cost for those objects. Let X be the number. X refers to what? The number of what? Look at here, X refers to the number of basketball, and let Y be the total cost. Okay, Y equal to X. 2, the price of each one. If you want to get 3 basketballs, 3 times 2 equals 6. And then the cost here, it will be what? 6. 3 balls for 6 token. Okay, it's meaning 3 times 2 equals 6 from this table.